coins for C-Rock. Bullion coins for C. Bullion coins for C-Rock. Bullion coins for C. Bullion coins for C-Rock. Bullion coins for C. Bullion coins for C-Rock. Bullion coins for C.
How's it going, everyone? Coins with Syrup here. And as you can see, we got the 230th anniversary Flowing Hair gold dollar. This is the proof high relief one. And I don't know how your guys' experience was trying to buy this, but I was on the website at 11:50 and I refreshed at like 11:56 and it put me in a waiting room, and then it said I had like a 3 or 4 minute wait, and it put me back on the site at 11:58. So I waited right at 12 to refresh, got it in my cart. I already was logged in and I had my card saved on file and had no problem getting it. It's unfortunate that a lot of people didn't get it. I'm hearing that for some people it was pretty much right away that it sold out. To me, I thought it was about 3 minutes. Some people are saying 5 minutes. Obviously, this isn't the privy. I don't think I would be even close to being able to afford the privy one. Let's see what it looks like. I think this is going to be a really nice looking coin. Oh wow. Yeah, that's definitely a very nice coin right there. Let me take it out of the case. This might take a little bit because these things are in there pretty good. There we go. Look at that. Definitely deep cameo. Definitely the proof finish. And I'm gonna make a video and compare this to the silver medal and see like how high of a relief this actually is compared to that one. And this one has the edge lettering. $1. Oh, come on. Just had it focused. Anyways, oh, there it goes. 100 cents. Or unit. I'm wondering if maybe somehow a couple of these maybe don't have edge lettering, like as a mistake from the mint, but I guess we'll see later on when everyone else gets theirs. But anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the comparison video.